Hello students, today we will learn how to install MySQL server in your system. So to start it with, we will write here download MySQL, download MySQL server for Windows. Even if you do not write MySQL server, only MySQL will run. So just press enter, and now here first link is appearing here, so you can click on this, and here you it is showing you version 8.0.42, and if you want to see previous versions you can go to archives. So right now I will go with whatever it is displaying here. So with the default capacities it is appearing here, one is 2.1 and the one is 353. So I'll go with the second one. Click on the download, and then this screen has appeared, and after this you can see it is written no thanks, just start my download. Something has been written here, so need not to go in much in detail. Just click on this and see whether it is getting downloaded or not. So it is getting downloaded, and I have already downloaded the same version here. So instead of wasting time, I'll just go to that folder and I'll start my installation. So once it will get downloaded, you will get on the your window explorer, you will get this here. So now just the this is that I mean here it is showing that part which is yet not completed. So this will look like this, but later on finally it will also become the same, similar to this. So right now what you can do, you can click on this and you can install it. Double click and it is preparing to install. So press yes here. Again you can say yes. It is saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So now MySQL installer 1.6 is has started. So here server, client, full, everything has been given here. So right now I need SQL server, so just click server only and say next. So just press next and say yes here, and select this, and then you will execute this. So installation will start. Again it will take little time, please see the progress is going on. It is on its task, so wait and let it get completed. So now it's done, complete, and you can press here next. Again you can it's ready to configure, so you can press here next, and again move ahead with the as it is, don't make any changes. Say next, and again press here next, use as it is. You can go with the as it is recommended, please. So use strong password encryption for authentication. So go next, and here create password root. I'll take it as root. Check. It is checked, and now press next. Press again, let it as it is. Standard one system account. Next, and execute this. All the configurations are being applied. So let's wait, and then as it will be done, you need to just press finish. And here configuration is complete. Say next, and you can finish it. So process is over. Once it has been finished, now you can go to your search, and here type out mysql. Type mysql command prompt. It is mysql command line client unicode. So you need to open your this thing. Now whether it depends if you want to open it as a server administrator or just press open. So whichever you want. So just double click on this, and it has opened. And now here enter your password which you entered there, root, and now it has come. So just go here. You can create your databases. Say I'll create here database. Database is my database is test, and show database. So database, whether it is created or not. So databases, click on this. Here so many are there, and test is also there. And now after this, if you want to create a table to this, create a table, create table test1, and I'll take here, say, roll number, int, and name varchar 30, and just press this and enter this. It is oh, I did not use that database. You need to use test, and then you can press enter. Here your table has been created. So now you can select this table, and although there is no data, so let's start from test1. It is no nothing, it is right now empty. But after this, if you want to enter something, you can insert here, insert into table, into this table name is test1, and here you can enter some data. So in the test1, I will enter, say, roll number is 1009, name is enter Jack, and I'll enter Dave, and just run it. And oh, I think I'll have to insert. It is incomplete. Insert into test1, and this is values. I did not give values, and now you can enter it. So it is done, and now you can see this. So select star from test1, and you will get the. So this is how you will accomplish your MySQL installation with the database creation and by creating a table. So thank you very much for seeing this. Please.